welcome back.
Okay! It's unboxing time. Mga matatagal ko na rin in order to. First, we have... This is MCF, McFarlane Toys. And it's a skull. You know this? Who's this?
I don't know. This guy.
I don't even know who's this, and I don't even know why did I order this. We also have here, this one is Gandalf from Lord of the Rings.
You
Oh.
shall not.
Yeah, that's the one. And we have here the 3.75 Guardians of the Galaxy Marvel Legends Yondu. We show to everyone our toys. We have the skull, MCF. We have Gandalf, you shall not pass. And we have the Guardians of the Galaxy. Thank you so much guys for watching ng aming unboxing ulit.
Bye-bye.
Bye!